What we're seeing here is a new stage type I introduced in the latest version of the application, which is 4.1 currently. Here you can set your pressure curve over the weight on the scale, and you can add extra pressure points. So what this means? When the weight is 0, so this means during pre-infusion, you can say I want 8 bar. When the weight reaches 10 grams, I want a little bit lower pressure, for example. And as the yield rises, you can drop your pressure. And you set your maximum weight here, the maximum pressure in the scale over here, so it's easier for you to create your own curve. We also have the freehand mode. If you want to draw instead of pull dots in the line, you can just make a drawing and then it will follow your drawing. The new curve will follow your drawing. It's up to you what to use. Now, the same type of stage, the pressure curve, can be over time also. So you have pressure over weight or pressure over time, whatever you prefer and whatever looks more intuitive to you. I have not seen pressure over weight in other applications. It's something I thought of. Let me know if someone else is using it, but for me it's the most straightforward thing to do. I also introduced yield over time. So this is flow over time. Here you say, I want this many grams, 40 grams for example, over 30 seconds. So do whatever you want. I want 40 grams in 30 seconds. And below, you can set the flow rate curve. So you can have a ramp then decline, a declining one, a flat one, a blooming decline, or even a custom one. In the custom, again, you can set your own curve, but now we're talking about flow rate over time. So you can have a lower flow rate in the beginning, higher later, or whatever you want to do. It's up to you. And since we don't live in a perfect world, maybe your target will not be followed exactly as you want due to the physics of the pack. So here I have put 3 properties. Do you want your curve to be followed strictly, balanced, or taste safe? Taste safe means that even if you are off target at some point of the curve, it will not lead to extreme measures to reach your target. So yeah, you can play around and see how it works. And here we are setting some properties for the flow rate again. We have the max pressure, the maximum flow, pre-infusion. So this takes care even of the pre-infusion. Since we don't have flow rate in the pre-infusion stage, you need to set it based on pressure. That's the extract floor. Again, if something happens and the algorithm wants to crash the flow, the pressure very low, with this setting, you can tell it to not go below a minimum pressure that you set over here. And that's it. Let me know if you find the new things useful or confusing. I think especially the pressure curve is very interesting, but I'd like to hear from you.